How to fix Instagram Messenger update option not shown. Hello guys, so all what you wanna do is very simple. Just open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS. After that, you have to go to the search bar and search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram, you will find this green option. It says update, which means if you don't have the latest version on Instagram, you should update it by clicking on this option. It's very simple and easy. After you click on it and update your Instagram, last thing you want to do to fix this problem is restart your phone. After you restart your phone, reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.